So in this question, they say that both these items are real number, which means that if you separate 5 over 2 minus I plus ki is equal to something plus something I. If you can separate them to real part and imaginary part, they say the whole thing is real number, which implies that this is 0i. This is 0i. So what we are going to do, we are going to change this format. I can't accept I in the denominator. And then I'm going to separate the real part, the imaginary part. And because of they say it's real number, we can say imaginary part equal to 0. That's why we can find out the value of k. So 5 over 2 minus I first. We handle this term by term. Our strategy is to multiply something to make it become square. So I try to time 2 plus I. It's because if I multiply 2 plus I, this will give a square term only in the denominator. So this is something square minus something square, which is 2 square and I square. So 4 minus I square. I square, that means negative 1. I is equal to I square is equal to negative 1. I power 3, that means negative I power 4, give you back, finish one cycle, give you 1 again. So the denominator is 5. The numerator is 10 plus 5i, unchanged basically, 10 plus 5i. And then don't forget in our calculation we have plus ki at the back. So that's why we have 10 divided by 5 plus 5 divided by 5, 1i, and then plus ki. Separate them, that means 2 plus 1 plus k times of I. It's because we say that this is real number. That's why the imaginary part, 1 plus k, should equal to 0. So k is equal to negative 1. The answer is B. Whenever they tell you that this is a real number or it is a purely imaginary number, they try to imply you one of the coefficient is equal to 0. Then you can, based on this given information, to write down an equation like this. Then you can solve one of the unknown there.